Okay, so the Flareon.
Yeah,
Flareon.
right. Yeah.
I don't have the Joshi on.
Okay, what are the prices if I were to get both? If I want both.
You want both of them?
I want both.
They are
540,
680.
680. Do 1,000 for both?
I can't do 1,000.
How much for both? That's close.
Let's see.
What are they? Both 8s? That's a 7.
It's Ghost on, man.
I know. I'm working on my Gold Star collection. I'll bring some tomorrow so you can look at them.
What do you have? Your Ghost Star collection?
Yeah.
Are you gonna sell them or just to show off?
No, just to show it to you.
I mean, if I do 1,000, I'll just break even.
So that's 540 and then 680. What's that?
I'll just break even on that one.
540 plus 680.
1,220.
So you want to make a little money, right?
Yeah, to 1,000. That's how much I got
Okay.
paid. I'll just break even.
All right. You take 1,200?
Thank you.
1,200?
Yeah.
Yep.
You make a little bit of money, right? Okay. Let me see what kind of moves I can do, because I want you to make money, Joey.
Yeah,
so I'm not gonna bust your head too.
Do you have any trades?
Too bad. Not.
You don't want to start this spot.
Well, I'm trying.
I'm not too sure about these here, man. I'm scared on these right now. I'm just a little nervous on these.
Listen, I'm trying to get the cash. I don't want to.
You know they are going down, right? They're slipping down.
I know. Since I talked to you last, I know they're going down.
They are slipping down.
I do want to show you this, but it's not a trade, okay?
Okay.
Because I know you'll appreciate this card.
You know, I've been looking for one to add to my collection.
Oh,
to
yeah?
my thing here to make it look so better. It's gonna be like a leader. It's about like a leader here. Something like to lead, like, oh my God, you got this, you got all that.
Yeah.
Something looking nice.
I just bought a slab mag case for it.
Yes, 1 second.
I've been wanting this one.
Record keeping.
Good grade too.
That's a good rate. Yes, it is. Man.
A lot of these are going.
Man.
I know. It was like I gotta show it to him.
Acetates are worth something. No, these are.
I envy you.
Huh?
I go crazy for this kind of stuff. Man.
I know, dude. You gotta appreciate it, you know.
I go crazy for that stuff.
So you what do 1,200?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Let me see what kind of moves I can move. All right, man.
No problem. Or you got something straight besides the
Stuff like that. So like any kind of like 900s.
For all of it? Okay. Yeah, that's close. Okay. I'm gonna see what's going
Shop
on.
around. Let me know.
We're probably.
Well, these are
let me know
going
let me know before you
going
sell.
down like a lot.
Yeah.
So I gotta get out of them.
Yeah.
You know.
Also, come back before you sell them. If you
Yeah. Okay, cool.
We don't go competitive unless it's actual.
All right. Yeah, that's why I want to shop it around and see what the comps are.
sure.
So
Yeah.
okay. All right. Thanks, guys.
$15 for that.
I've been missing this one, so definitely gonna pick that EV up. Let's see what else. Armored Mewtwo, moderately played. It's not too bad.
Front's not a great, but the corners on
Yeah.
pretty hard.
It's just gonna be some.
I cried when I ordered a whole bunch of them on eBay.
They're just gonna be some binder cards. Oh, the reverse holo is for 151, right?
Yeah, so I have, this is a complete set.
The complete set. 151.
Up the base set. Sorry,
base,
complete
okay.
base. All the way up to 165, I think it is. We do have reverse holos.
Charging now.
Okay, gotcha. What does this cost?
120 for that.
120.
Yep.
Okay.
And that goes with the energies as well.
Gotcha. Wow. Okay. I've been working on mine.
So we try to
I've been
save
working.
the headache for people.
Yeah. Would you do 10 for these 3?
Yes.
Okay.
What?
There you go.
Sticker.
I appreciate
How many stickers
you.
do you want?
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Appreciate y'all.
You want a card saver one?
Okay, I just saw you have Funkos.
Yep. So I retired from my collection.
I need that Bulbasaur.
Which one?
The Bulbasaur, the diamond one.
What was it, Diamond?
What's the price?
25.
25? Okay. Can I pay you and then pick it up on the way out?
I don't care. That's
Is that okay? I don't want to have to carry it around all day. It's a Target one too, right?
not. They're gonna be.
Gonna be.
Not all
Okay, gotcha.
Meryl's the same thing. They came all
Awesome.
together.
I hope I don't forget.
Well, if I
We'll see.
catch
Yeah,
you,
I'm coming this way. Thank you guys. Y'all have a good show. Would you be able to? Would you be willing to take trades for that guy?
Yeah. What you got?
I want to upgrade. I have a 9. How much would you give me for the 9? And then just pay whatever it is on whatever's on top.
9. Maybe like $20.
20 bucks. So are you 30 or 20? Right?
25 for
25. Well, you give me 20 bucks, right?
What's up?
20 for that, or
Yeah, but we gotta take a little bit of.
okay, I got you. So 25. I'll do that. Make a little bit of. I get it. Thank you.
All right, thank you.
Look at this. Just hanging. Just hanging out. Those and these. I mean, make and then those two.
5-finger discount.
Right. Yeah,
These are
I'm
being
trying to get
considered
something.
possibly this one. That was an 8. 8's
Yeah.
hard to sell.
But, well, I figured, you know, give me raw price or something on them.
$10,000
You trying to trade even?
I'm trying to get some cash. Yeah. I'm trying to get some cash. I'm trying to get some gold stars in another booth.
I got you. This is a perfect time to sell, bro.
I know.
Actually, I think the day I opened.
How much do you want for these, man?
I mean, make me an offer.
Every time I say that, somebody gets mad at me.
I don't. It won't get mad, dude. This is what I do. I buy and sell things all the time, dude. So it's gonna hurt my feelings. I'm shopping it around, so I just got here. I'll be here all weekend.
The same, man. Are you a vendor too?
No.
Are you filming?
I am right now. Yeah.
Beyond Cards,
Yeah, there you go.
Ashland, Virginia. Come and get me. All right, so this guy's going for about $550.
Okay. What are you gonna pay? We're paying 80.
Depends if you want partial trade.
No, I want cash.
I can do 80.
Okay. What'd you say? 5?
Yeah. This guy has a recent sold of 530.
530 seems a little low.
So you got an auction right now. It's probably gonna hit up. But the last 2 recent solds are 530 and 630
For this, for
this guy.
can we meet in the middle on the?
I'll give you full comps on it.
Okay.
530. Be about 900 cash.
900. That's what I was.
Thanks.
Cash.
Cash.
All right. Let me think about that. That's a reasonable offer. So let me
try to
shop
be
it around. No, that's very fair. That's very fair. So let me shop it around because I think that's fair.
If somebody comes up with something and I don't have any more cash left, man.
No, that's what I'm saying. Like if somebody give me something better, of course.
Sure, I got you, bro.
You know. Thank you. What was your name?
Chris. Anderson.
Chris. Nice to meet you, Chris. Ray. My favorite ones.
Did you see mine?
What all you have in there? What all you have in there? Ooh, I need that shiny Mewtwo.
This is the mintiest legendary collection.
Let's see.
These will probably get 8s, minimum 8. Except for one card, and it's in the back.
You selling them all together?
I prefer to grade them first, but
Yeah.
$70,000 for you, bro.
Bro, I know I don't have enough money.
Let me just do it for you.
Yeah, that's enough. I like that Snorlax. Thank you for letting me look at that, man. Appreciate you. So 900. 900 offer. Okay. I wish I would have recorded all that info, but
Just a second, I'm gonna finish this deal with him. 2 seconds, and I would love to take a look. But yeah, if you want to set this right here, go for it, man.
oh, he's got the big boy.
He does too.
I don't know where you would find that at.
9.
In all honesty.
Oh, I'm gonna give you 2 5s. You said you didn't want 1. I'm gonna give you 2.
There you go. Thank you, man. I appreciate
They're
you.
both 10s, right? Yeah.
Yeah, they're 10s. They're 10s. I'm no, yeah, 8s.
Yeah.
Right? Can I take a look at the Gold Star?
Yeah. Just that one, or you want those?
I can't afford the 9.
I'll take a look.
Okay.
I got the Kyogre also.
Where's the swirl on this bad boy?
Right there on the top.
What's up?
Kind of tilted.
Oh, I
You
see.
can see it go. Actually, funny enough, both of them actually have a swirl.
That one does too?
That one's got 2.
Oh, snap. Yeah, this one's nice. I like that. Ooh. Goose Gold Stars.
What are you looking for this price range?
I don't know. I haven't even checked
I
comps.
haven't even checked. Because I'm selling mine for, what is it, like 80 bucks?
80? Oh, really?
That's in an 8.
I
These
mean,
are lower comps.
well, that's base set too. There's, yeah, unlimited.
Yeah, I'll pass on these.
Pass on those? Okay.
What I can do here, these two.
Do you know what's the price on the Celebi and the Latias?
Celebi is 350 and Larias is 700.
700. And dare to say how much for the Rayquaza?
1700.
17. Excuse me.
You're fine. You know, it's all good.
And the what about that Mario?
3,000.
3,000? It's not bad.
I don't know about the tag.
Yeah.
And again, I could do 145 cash.
For both?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Yeah. Can we do 150? $5 more dollars?
Want to flip? We go 5 up or 5 down?
150.
Or 140?
Let's do it.
You got a coin?
I don't have a coin. You got a coin?
Yeah, I always coin.
You got a coin?
Keep a little penny right here.
Okay. So we're doing 150
Or 140.
or 140. Okay.
A quick flip. I was like, I want to start doing those.
Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it.
You call it.
Okay. All right.
I'll land on the table.
All right. Tails. I can't tell.
So it's heads.
Okay. Nah, he says it's heads. Nah, I believe you, bro. I believe you.
It's underneath you. I'll just kick it over there. I can't flip it, right?
Now you just lost.
So 140. 140. We'll do 140. That's good.
Yeah, of course.
How much for
What
that?
you trying to do with that?
I just want to
Trade
trade
credit?
it.
I got gold stars over here.
I just want to trade it, dude.
How much?
You know that's gonna be a hard sell.
What's the trade going for? Or what,
I don't know.
What do you want
man.
for it?
I had 2 offers for 45.
Yeah?
Yeah, so. But then I got to ship it
He's
off.
not happy, so he wants more for it.
Yeah, dude. 45's good.
No, it is. Oh, it is.
It's like, come
It's
on,
good.
man.
It's good for sure.
Especially if we ask him what he got it for, right? You see, it's
Hey, I got it for $1.
Did you get it at a garage sale?
No, I got it off Facebook Marketplace.
Yeah. Did they know what they had?
Yeah, they did.
Yeah. Okay.
I saw a listing. I just never messaged him.
Booth. I'm almost there.
I've also got the Air Dark Dragonite. If you're interested.
Yeah.
And the PSA
Ooh,
9.
that's a good one.
Last sold with a CGC was 11 or 10 100 or 1,000.
And if you want this one too, I have 2.
You have 2 7s?
Yeah, isn't that
How'd you
weird? I
manage
graded
that?
both of them and they both came back 7s. What are those going for nowadays? Not much because of the grade.
35.
Yeah. Okay. I know it's not a lot, but I need to I need some buying power here.
Yeah. Oh no, you're good. I'm trying to make sure I get you a good offer. I can do 200 flat.
Perfect. I'll take it.
290 is full comp. And would usually do like 75, 80, but
yeah, I got you.
The low price value of those is a lot of the portion.
Gotcha. Appreciate you, man. Thank you, like always. I think I got my gold stars now. I got enough.
There you go.
I got enough now. All trades.
How clean is that right, you?
I know the 12 thing.
You want to do 12? I mean, I'm just putting it out there. 12.
Well, this is a
12. Yes, I could do 12.
Okay,
yes.
let's do 12.
Yes. Well, what about this one?
I don't want it right now. Maybe tomorrow. I gotta work my magic, dude.
I mean, it's 440 right now. I look it up. We all look it up here.
I'm just saying I gotta work my magic on getting.
People want to buy it, it's just they don't have the money right now. Because everybody doesn't make any money. Oh, okay.
Yeah, you're good, dude.
Though, yeah, that's so Benjamin Franklin. He plays all sports. Okay, I got you. Is he retired now?
Shout out to Let's Do Lunch.
He's active. He's active in the community.
Maybe. Yeah, let me see how much you got.
He's active in this building, that's for sure.
How much? How much? 25?
Did you pick up anything good?
What's that?
Did you pick up anything good?
No, I've been selling, dude. I'm trying to get your stuff. I've been trying to get your stuff.
Everybody's money go to me today.
Yeah.
Did you sell it to Josh?
Josh gave me, I shopped it around here. Someone offered me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Wow. Appreciate it, man.
My man.
Thank you.
Finally worked out a good deal, huh?
Yep. Thank you. Appreciate it, man. I appreciate your help.
Dude, this is gonna make me happy, dude. Look at him counting it. Hey, it says motion picture use only. You take those? Huh?
I will hunt you down, man.
Scam. Sue me.
Oh, now that you remind me, I gotta be careful what people give me
dude,
sometimes.
for sure. Yeah, it'll say it on there. Promotion picture use only.
Yeah, now that you remind me, man, I gotta be careful and check every one of those bills.